So Amy, are you with us?
I am. Thank you. Yes, I actually purchased at 6 a.m., went to my first job, and it was already done complete by the time I got done with that day. So on that same day, in between my job, I was able to do it myself. Let me tell you, I knew nothing about the online world and definitely not tech savvy. I had no clue. Emails, I can send an email. Amazon, I can order something. That's about as far as that went. But you guys, it's step by step. Literally, do this, you do it. Do that, you do it. Simple. You're connecting things, your personal information. So don't be scared. Don't be afraid. It's easy. If I can do it, anybody can. But yeah, like Michelle was saying, I'm kind of the unicorn in the community, right? Here I am, single mom, 3 kids, working 18 hours a day, you guys, 3 years straight. And I was just at a point in my life at 50 where I realized things just didn't go according to the plan, right? I was very disappointed in myself. I was tired of struggling. I had been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. And like Melissa was saying, I got that second job, right? So I started waitressing nights, holidays, weekend. And it's damn hard being a mom when you're working 18 hours a day. And that's when it really hit me that I needed to do something different. Now, did I ever think it would be an online business? Abso-flippin-lutely not, because I wasn't even on social media, right? But here's what happened. My daughter begged me, and I allowed her to create a TikTok so I could watch her videos, right? Her and her girlfriends dancing. That's when I ran across Michelle and a video. And I'm like, what? What? It blew me away because I didn't know anything, right? I literally had to Google what is digital marketing. I didn't know, but it blew my mind what I was learning, what I was hearing. And I got inside of this community and I started seeing that men and women just like me, from 20 to 80, were learning the skills to make an income far greater than they ever made. They were getting their time back with their family. And that's truly all I ever wanted, was just to get my time back. Long story short, within 10 weeks of this program, you guys, I was able to quit both of those jobs. Not one, but both. And I am going to tell you, I know it sounds cliche, but when I tell you this has changed my life, it literally has changed my life. I am now 18 months into this program. I've been able to implement and learn from this very program to add an additional 9 streams of income. And these are all things that you're going to learn. This is long term. It's not jump in, make a quick buck and get out. No, this is something you can do from home. All you need is this thing right here and some internet. And you can be running a multi-6-figure business. That's all I've been doing for 18 months, adding and changing my situation. Right? But back to the 2-hour workday, because I know a lot of you think this is going to take forever. Listen to me, seriously, because when you're getting ready in the morning, you can be watching a training. When you're on your lunch break, when you've got downtime in the evening on the couch, stop watching Netflix. Just follow the training, watch a 5-minute video, implement what they're giving you, jump on a free Zoom. We have 4 or more live Zooms to teach you all about it. And that's all I did throughout my day. 20 minutes here, 30 minutes here, 45 minutes here, between 2 jobs. So if I can do this with all those cards stacked against me, don't doubt yourself. Please don't, because it is doable. We all come from different walks of life. We have different knowledge. We know things and we don't know things. But that's the beauty of it because we can help each other.
Mhm.
And that's all we do is we help each other. So I'm glad you showed up tonight because you know the holidays are here and this could be exactly what you've been looking for. You didn't even know it, but you found it.
Yes,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for sharing. So you
Yes,
guys, if you hear what she said, she didn't have any experience whatsoever. And did you set up your system yourself?
I did. I did.
Yep. So
Literally. I mean, I altogether it took me maybe an hour. I just little 15 minutes here, little 15 minutes here throughout my workday on my breaks. And I got
yep,
it done.
there you go. If you follow the videos and don't rush through it, it's an easy setup process. Michelle, the other Michelle that is in our community, she's got it down to 20 steps, you guys, and that includes connecting your bank account, your payment gateways. So I absolutely love that. So real quick, somebody had asked saturation. So if you Google saturation, saturation is like 74%. So just on social media alone, let's say we just got 1%, just 1% of social media. Okay, there's 5 billion people. Okay, 1%. Let's do the math on that, right? I'll let you guys see. 5 billion people, and let's just do 1%. Oh my gosh, where's my calculator, right? 5 billion, I have to turn it this way because I want you guys to see the difference, right? Times 1% equals 50 million people. We have 45,000 or 40, what, 6,000 in our community, right? 50 million. We don't even have a half of a half of a half of a half percent yet. Is our goal to impact 1%? Heck yeah. So that shares you how much money is to be made. But I can't do it on my own. Amy can't do it on her own. Melissa can't. Daryl can't, right? But as a community, we can. And that's our goal. And that's our mission. That's why it's called the Legacy Builder Program, because our goal is to help you add multiple income streams and be able to leave that legacy for your family. We don't want you just to be living paycheck to paycheck and just like Marianne says, have to work until the day you die. We want you to be able to get your life back, get your time back, and truly design your life. So how do you get started? So what you do is when you get started with the program, you get to pick the program that's best for you. Okay, this is what you're going to learn when you're inside the program. You're going to learn how to promote products and programs where you make 100% profit. You're going to learn how to automate your business. Let's get your time back, okay? You're going to learn our ultimate discovery system so you can use attraction marketing instead of you having to be the one finding customers.